If you have a brand new Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, there's a good chance you're not using the vehicle to its fullest potential. So in this video, I'm going to go over 3 essential features to show you how you can maximize this vehicle in its fullest potential. Stick around for the last feature because this is very essential for the Sonata Hybrid. All right, I want to welcome you guys a little bit darker part of the parking garage that we're in, so you can see the first feature I want to show you, which is the ambient lighting. Let me turn my lights off real quick. So you could see how it's laid out in green right now. Basically the drive modes, which I want to start off with, do change not only the way you drive, but also how it's set up as. So the drive mode button is right down here, where I could click it. It not only will change the theme of your cluster, but it also changes the ambient lighting of the interior. If I wanted to change it again to another drive mode called My Drive, it changes to violet because my drive color is violet. So kind of give you the whole turnaround of how it looks like at night, and at dark it's very fantastic. To get to the ambient lighting settings, we could go on the screen right over here, swipe to the left, tap setup, vehicle, lights. And this is where all your light settings, whether it's ambient lighting or any other light settings on the inside of the vehicle, you want to select the ambient lighting option. You could adjust the brightness, link the drive mode, and dim and darken conditions. So if I wanted to dim it, you could see the lights might be darkened a little bit depending on the lighting condition. Let me turn that back on real quick and link to drive mode. So what I just showed you, the change in the colors when you're linking the drive mode. If we turn this color option off and go to the color settings, what I would like to show you guys is this option here where you could select whichever color you want. You already got a couple presetted color options here, or you have 64 other color options to choose from, whether if you wanted the white color, if you wanted the magenta color, if you wanted blue, which is also one of my favorite colors as well, orange, whichever color fits your personality or even your favorite color. The next second feature I want to show you guys is not only the 360 camera, but also the surround view monitor. So to start with the surround view monitor, if I do a right hand turn signal, you can see your blind spot view on the right hand side. And also if you change it to the left, you have to do on the left hand side. Now you have to use your blinkers to use this feature. If you do not use your blinkers, you won't be able to use your blind spot view monitor. Also, the blind spot sensor will not be activated. When we put it in reverse, this is your backup camera on the left hand side, and on the right hand side is your 360 bird's eye view. You could see the lines right over here that represents your sensors. Perfect example of rear cross traffic control when you're coming back. When you're pulling out of the parking spot, if someone's walking, it'll identify that for you. And you do have another screen in your cluster to identify your sensors as well, of how close to your objects you are, or cars on the side. So now if I start backing up, the sensors will quietly disappear, even if they're on. And the yellow lines here represent where your car is turning to. Now I change the drive, your front camera turns on, and as soon as I start speeding up quicker, the cameras do disappear. You do have 4 cameras all around the car, 1 on each side mirror, 1 in the front, and 1 in the back, which operates your whole 360 bird's eye view. So the next feature and last critical one I want to show you is the regenerative braking. Hyundai has regenerative braking in their hybrids. You don't have to adjust how you want to set it as. It's automatic. So right now I'm accelerating. The engine is charging the battery. You can see it right on my screen right there. And now the hybrid battery is being used to accelerate. So the car really does it all by itself. Now, question is, how does the battery charge? Well, again, here's the engine charging, but if I start decelerating, it's charging the battery. The regenerative braking is not working, so if you look on my cluster, you can see that charge option, it is obviously using a little bit of charge to charge the battery. So now I'm using both motors to accelerate quicker. Now, if I want to apply the brakes, which I will do now, it's not only charging the battery as well, however, you can see how aggressively I'm also charging it through my cluster. Regenerative braking is a pretty cool feature actually in the hybrid. I'm very happy that Hyundai actually has that. Not only it increases your driving mileage, which again, it won't show on your screen. However, you want to benefit of driving longer distance and spending fewer times at the gas station. The car does decide on how you're really driving and how aggressively or how gently you're pressing the accelerator. If you're stuck in bumper to bumper traffic, you will be mainly on EV mode. Sometimes the car's engine will turn on just to charge the battery, increase the air flow into your car with air conditioning or even heating. The hybrid is basically a mind of its own. Let it do its thing. All you do, gas and go. That's it. All right, guys, thank you for watching for the 3-feature video for a Hyundai Sonata Hybrid Limited. Hope you learned a lot. If there's any questions, feel free to comment down on our YouTube video down below. Also, like and subscribe. Thank you.